This is Katarzyna Kciuk, and this is my story in art. It took me a while to find the piece of artwork that would describe or express how I feel or what my life looks like. And then I accidentally came across this art exhibition, and I'm like, this is it. Um, I wasn't able to find the actual artist of this, but from my understanding, because it was in Spanish, it was a cultural art association that was taking in that particular area that was taking art to the street. And this art exhibition depicts what looks like a mother who has, all the responsibilities of a daily life, of taking care of a home and child on her shoulders while her child is resting peacefully in her arms. And I feel like this depicts me for the simple fact that I currently am a stay at home mom. And my husband is gone most of the week, so all the responsibilities of daily life are on my shoulders, from cooking, cleaning, laundry, to taking my kids to and from school and to their extracurricular activities, which are almost every single day for both of them. Um, and I also help my parents who's um, have a language barrier. They don't speak English very well. So when it comes to making any type of appointments, doctor's appointments, or anything else, to actually go into the appointments with them to translate and paying their bills for them, and then also help out my husband with his business sometimes. So I feel like all of that is on my shoulders, and I need to stay calm and make sure that my kids are taken care of and everything gets done. Now, I initially thought this would be an easier role, a stay-at-home mom, but actually, and a lot of people do think that it's easy to just stay at home, um, but it actually has its challenges. A lot of times, I feel like my faith is what gets me through the day. My faith in God, and I turn to Him whenever I do have a conflict or a problem that I am having a hard time. So this, I really like this piece of art, and I hope you enjoyed this as well. Thank you.